So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way. How will I call? How will I call? You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater and so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
The weird and wonderful creation. I'm not sure whether to tilt the whole lot and let it run down. Look at these. They look like eyeballs or really weird, hey? So yeah, I'm just trying to, as I said before, work out the Maria Brookes technique. She doesn't actually do YouTube channels, and she doesn't want to disclose her technique, which is absolutely within her right. Of course it is. But of course that sets a challenge to find out what's causing the amazing reaction to the paint. And I think Maria Brookes does it, she doesn't do it on canvas, she does it on a very thin, like a plastic board or something, so I'm not sure when you get so much paint that the board, how the board doesn't curl up or something. But anyway, it's a challenge and she does amazing work, so I'll put a link. The only place I know she is on Facebook. She doesn't do videos because I've asked. So it is definitely a weird and wonderful, so I will give this another go. That was the reverse swiping, which I believe that she may do, but I probably shouldn't have tilted it so much here, because look, I've got a really weird reaction. That is not like at all like Maria's, but these big chunky fat cells are definitely similar, so I might be on the right track. But I'm gonna try tilting and see how we go. I actually think if I tilt it whichever way, I'm gonna end up losing all of this. And I really love this, I just don't love this. So I'm wondering if I can scrape that back off. I'm not sure. I might just leave it and see how it dries, and have a bit more play with another piece, like right now, because I'm right into trying to create something. I've got another idea now. I think the next time I will swipe, but I'm not going to tilt it. I'm going to do something different, so let's see. I must show this. I went that little bit further. I scraped that other bit off that I said I didn't like, where I'd stretched it out. I'd put a bit more colours on it. I know I meant to video it, but I was so excited I didn't press the record button. But then I put the colours down and swiped again. But look what's happening in the white area. How cool is that? Look at these shapes, unbelievable. So I'm really just going to let them now dry, see how it dries, and see how it progresses from there. Exciting experimenting for sure.